Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum, Tech Lab from Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness and volume on your MacBook using the Control Center or settings. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to click on this Apple icon on the top left corner, and here we have to choose Preference or System Settings. And now it will open the Settings pop-up window. And here we'll see some options on the left side, and from here if you see the option displays, then you can select it from here. On the other hand, if you can't see this type of option, then you have to select Control Center and you will see a display option there. Okay, after entering the displays option, you will see a slider labeled brightness. So, to increase the brightness, drag the slider to the right, and to decrease it, drag the slider to the left. That's pretty cool, right? On the other hand, if you want your brightness to be automatically adjusted, then you can check this box. And now we'll talk about adjusting your volume. And to do that, normally we have to click on this sound option. If you can't see sound option on your system settings, then normally you have to click on the Control Center first and you will see sound option there. And in the sound option, you will also see another slider for the volume. Probably there are some differences between these sliders. So you will see a slider for input volume for the input of your microphone. On the other hand, if you click on this output button, you will see another slider for your output volume. You can adjust them by sliding. On the other hand, if you want to adjust your alert volume, you can slide this slider. So that's pretty cool, right? And I hope this helps you manage your MacBook's brightness and volume settings more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. Allah Hafiz.